Yeah, that's right. Christmas absolutely ruined. Never mind. I expect you'll be wanting to know what books I read in December. Well, I read four. Well done, me. The first was this graphic novel called Blankets by Craig Thompson. It's beautifully illustrated and it's about this young Christian guy who falls in love and eventually sort of loses his faith. It's massive. I quite enjoyed it. I think you would enjoy it more if you were religious, but the illustrations were very good. And then a peculiar coincidence happened to me, cool dudes. I was watching the 1951 version of The Thing and also the 2013 version of The Thing, none of which are as good as the second version, the Kurt Russell one, which is one of my favourite films of all time. The next day, after I watched these, I went to the charity shop, my small local charity shop, which has about, I don't know, 100 books there. And this book was there called Who Goes There, which I just put on my list the day before, which is the story from 1935 that The Thing is based on. It's about 70 pages long and it feels like a modern literature, but you can see how much they improved it with The Thing, which was an excellent film. Well done, John Carpenter. And then the next day, I went into the same charity shop and found the next book on my Amazon wish list, which was this, a novella called Small Things Like These by Claire Keegan. And it's about an Irish man who, during Christmas time, revisits his past and discovers some unsavoury things about his small town. You can read it in a day, and it's very Christmassy, so this should be on everyone's Christmas list. Another excellent book, but you have to wait until next year. And I also read This is Hong Kong by M. Sasek. I find these books strangely calming because the illustrations are so great. If you know how Sasek did these drawings, please tell me because I would love to emulate them. He is possibly my favourite children's illustrator. Well, one of my favourite artists, really. I think you shouldn't bracket people in children's illustration just because they do the art is in those books. Anyway, those are the books I read, and that was my December. Thank you for watching. I've covered the whole year and put it on YouTube. This forthcoming year, I will continue with these vlogs, but I'm going to put them on my Patreon channel, which is here. There's other videos on there as well. The reason I'm doing that is purely because I need to make some money. So you can join on a free trial for 7 days, and after that it's £2, so you can pay £5 or another tier, whatever you want to do to support me making things. All right, hope you have a brilliant 2025 and all your dreams come true. Stay cool.